right, it's a part 2 of my evil cat. And kind of weird, but now let's see where she is this time. She might even be somewhere else in the house. I mean, this is the only room you've seen in the house on my channel. This is my second video. But let's see if she's somewhere around the house, because, yeah. So, yep. Is that her hair? It's kind of weird that cat has hair. Oh my gosh, is this Leo? He's so famous because he's so chubby and fat.
Mama, can I do drugs?
That is not family friendly. That is not family friendly.
Drugs?
That's mine. No! No!
I want wine.
Ah!
Beer.
That's not actually beer, so let her drink it.
Just those are. Why does it smell like Sprite? No, for real, it smells like Sprite.
It does. So baby, go ahead and drink it. It's Sprite beer.
I'm scared though. What if it's not Sprite?
Let me
for
read
real
it.
though.
It says soft drink, so it's not, okay?
It's soft.
Come on, kitty. Drink
No,
it.
I'm not doing it.
Okay.
I don't know what's in there. Can I drink this?
No.
Oh.
You want to eat that? You want to eat that thing in there?
Can I eat this?
No. That's
Oh.
for the fish to eat.
Oh.
You want to eat that? The fish in there?
Yeah, fish. Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. If you want to feed the fish, you can.
Oh, fish.
Ah! But you can't seem to. You can't seem to feed this cat.
Can I lift away?
Sure, as long as you don't break a bone. Get over here. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, you're sure lifting that. Hey, get away from the sushi. Get away.
Down.
Make sure you don't hit anything or break anything. Hey,
Mama,
get away from the sushi.
Mama, watch me.
Get over here.
Mama, watch.
There, roll over.
Mama.
Don't eat the sushi.
Mama, watch. You ready? 5, 4,
Don't touch the sushi.
3, 2, 1.
Don't you touch the sushi. I saw you. I see you eyeing that. Hey, don't touch the sushi.
Stay away from my sushi.
Don't touch the
Go
sushi.
in the cat tent. You're supposed to
Yeah,
go
let's
in
go to the cat tent. It's very small. It's only for baby cats. It's not like for this super mega fat cat. That was just that bag moving because of the weight.
First, this is for Leo. He can still breathe though, because I can, so.
Oh crap, there's a dog at the door. But where is that mean cat Nala? We can put her in the tent.
Okay, yeah, she's the size for the tent. Where is she going?
Maybe she's under the dresser.
Yes. There she is.
You might hear some meowing because she's so... Oh, she did.
Grumpy cat. And she's actually my sister, and Leo's my brother. Okay.
Leo's something, all right. Same as Nala.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh, it actually fits.
It's a cat tent.
You can't fit in there though because you're so fat. How about it's a fat tent for not fat cats? So cute.
Yuck!
Let's leave her in there for a little bit. Let her go to bed.
Yeah.
Now let's try to find Leo because I just saw a tail go over there. Let me see if he's still in here. Yep, that cat's all right. I feel like he's scared.
Okay, now let's spin it around.
Ow. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm scared. Now, where is my other
Now
cat?
she's stuck in the corner. She cannot get out, I don't think.
Oh, cat, you're mean. Cat, come on, let's play with the laser lights.
Okay.
Laser light. I think that cat's trying to get out. No, 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 no! Stay away.
Can't get out.
She's
I don't think she needs a cat tent. I think she should just go in
Sorry.
there with Leo.
Yeah, let's. Oh no, I let Leo because he got too scared, but I'll put him back in there.
Okay, one day. Actually, now it needs a long time.
Actually, no, she needs her brother with her. She needs her brother with her. Get her brother.
No.
Her brother will keep us safe.
Mama, can I do it now, dog?
But no, it's called wine, by the way, not drug.
Can I get drunk?
No, this ain't drunk.
Yeah.
Get the cat and then you can.
Will we?
Yes, will we? It's the first time a cat can drink beer. Now get the cat.
There's no cat under there. Let me check the dresser. Check the dresser. And I only see Leo.
Seriously?
Take him out. Let me take him out.
Okay, let's see if Nala's still in here. You can't really see her because she blends in with the shade, but you can see her eyes if you look close enough. Okay, plop them on in there. It's like we're making a cake with chocolate and white. I don't know what that difference is. But now, you go jump on the bed, cat. I'm gonna have a vlog. Sometimes I'm gonna make an evil cat, like maybe music video.
You told me evil. Oh.
Actually-
Mommy, can I live there one day?
Oh my gosh.
Can I live there one day?
Actually,
I live there.
she's gotta go to school. Bye.
No!
Subscribe to
I
Evil
want to go to